This story was written by Miss Hollybeck's class, and it's called The Nerdy Potato and the Insect. Once upon a time, there was a nerdy potato who lived in a veggie factory because he was born there.
Hi, I'm a nerdy potato. Welcome to the veggie factory, my home sweet home.
He wanted a veggie army to overcome the giant veggie-eating bug who was trying to transform them into food by shooting lasers at them. Pew pew, pew pew pew, pew 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 pew, pew pew pew, pew pew. The bug has turned so many veggies into food that there's only 3 veggies left in the factory.
Oh no!
That's not enough for an army.
He ran on his nerdy legs to another veggie factory in the middle of a forest with a lot of veggie-eating insects. He screams,
Come join my army! I need your help to defeat my enemy, the giant veggie-eating bug!
Okay. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4.
The veggies joined his army and flashed their laser eyes.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew.
And the giant veggie-eating bug surrendered.
Okay, I surrender.
Nerdy potatoes started laughing, and the giant bug thought that was funny. The nerdy potato and the giant veggie-eating bug realized they weren't that bad and became friends. The end.